Hashtag Waterbury nuts.
Look at this shit. Ninja Turtles about to come out. Damn. We're flooding Waterbury's nuts. We're flooding. This shit flooded, boy. Look at this shit, boy. Oh, shit, boy. Waterbury's nuts. We flooding, man. God is tired of this place, man. All the violence, all the killings, all the murders. He about to flood the whole shit like Noah's Ark, bro. See what happens, bro? Y'all don't want to behave, bro. We flooded in this motherfucker, man. Look at this shit, man. See what happens? Y'all don't want to listen to the Lord Jesus? That's what's gonna happen.